Hello, welcome again, and you are watching Positive Life TV. Hope that you have subscribed to my channel. If not, kindly do it now and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you do not miss out the notifications whenever we upload any new video. I remember one of my clients saying that his life will be miserable as his job abroad is uncertain due to COVID-19 pandemic. He has no clarity on how to go ahead with life, how to take care of his family, and many more personal issues are cropping in his mind. He is surrounded by negativities and is completely blind about his own hidden strengths. No doubt, everyone is equipped with the great power, but few people do not believe in it and they always feel inferior about themselves. They do not believe in their own strengths which Almighty has gifted us. Most of the time, we keep on cursing ourselves, saying that we are underprivileged, which is not true. We feel sad about our health issues, wealth issues, relationship issues, business issues, career issues, and many more. But we have not made an attempt to introspect ourselves and identify the strengths which are hidden within us. Our strengths are hidden within ourselves. We have to just remove our negativities to feel those strengths. We are aware of the saying, idle mind is devil's workshop. When we do nothing, all negativities crop up in our mind and make us worried. We need to keep ourselves completely occupied by doing some productive work at home. Let us take this pandemic as a gift from our Creator to spend quality time with our family members and complete all the pending tasks and go ahead with our planning for future. This is the time that we all should reorient our thought patterns and come out with a concrete plan by investing some time on ourselves. The best way to keep us occupied and stay positive is by reading inspiring and motivational books. A few of them I would like to mention here: The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, You Can Heal Your Life by Lucy Hay, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and many more good books are also available. I have given few links which will help you to procure these books online in the description box. You can check it out and procure them at your convenience. So read at least 20 pages of inspiring and motivating books daily. So monthly you will read 600 pages. Yearly you will read 7,200 pages. And in 10 years you will be reading about 72,000 pages of inspiring books. Will you ever fail by reading so many books in your life? It is impossible to fail. But make notes of important points that you have read and apply it to your life. You will start finding a change within you. You get more innovative ideas to expand your thoughts and make you to believe in your own strengths. Let us go on a news diet. We need to stay updated. We need to know what's going on. But let us not get locked into endlessly watching breaking news on the 24-hour news channel. Watching news channels full time will make us more worried and more tensed. We do have senior citizens in our locality. We need to take extreme care of them as they are more vulnerable to COVID-19, especially those suffering from chronic health diseases, and also senior citizens are more likely to have other medical ailments like diabetes, hypertension, cardiac issues, and many more. So in my experience, I have seen two types of people, not necessarily only the senior citizens, but in general. Some people, when they approach the doctor, they will definitely expect some medicines or injection or an advice to get their scannings done. But if the doctor doesn't prescribe any of them, they will never be happy and they will move on to another doctor, till any doctor gives them some medicines. This is what we call as doctor shopping. Actually, the patient has no health issues at all. The problem is in their mind, which is making them feel ill. But some doctors understand this issue and give them some vitamin tablets, which is not for any disease in particular. Now the patient will happily go away by believing that this tablet is curing them. This is what we call as placebo effect. The second category of people is that they don't want any medicine. They want the doctor to patiently listen to their problem and then talk to them nicely in a friendly manner. This itself will solve their problem. Actually, the doctor's words itself will heal many patients. But some of the doctors fail to do this. Maybe they are busy with the too many patients, and they are also human beings. They don't have sufficient time to go in detailed conversation with patients. They also end up in stress. In real sense, the patient should visit those doctors only with whom they have complete faith. Else, however good the doctor is, the patient will not get cured. More than the medicines, it is the faith that is healing the patients. Also, patients need to develop patience to get cured completely. There are few people who change the doctor frequently for not getting healed within a short span of time. Few diseases will be healed immediately, whereas some other diseases might take some more time to get healed. In this case, again, the patient will start the so-called doctor shopping. Also, it will be very difficult to convince few people, and some of them are very much stubborn in their decisions. They should eat actually minimum medicines, as their body cannot take heavy doses. They should engage themselves by talking to their friends, playing with their grandchildren, developing routine works like reading, walking, meditation, gardening or yoga, etc. Whatever they are comfortable with. The power to solve our issues is within us. Human body automatically regains normalcy in most of the health issues, but needs to have patience to observe the changes within ourselves. Here, the negativity is poured by the mind, which makes the situation worst. Proper control of our mind is very much essential to lead a healthy life. The current scenario demands more counselors or more psychologists to deal with the issues due to this pandemic. But unfortunately, people think that if anyone consults a counselor, he is having severe mental issues and may consider him as indifferent, which is a sad part. Everyone has one or the other issues cropping in their mind, and most of these issues will vanish even without our knowledge when we share it with our friends. But sometimes these friends will add more poison to it by speaking negatively. So we need to choose our friends wisely. Some issues need a professional consultation from a counselor. So we can conclude by saying that most of the issues will be healed naturally by having proper control of our mind and by believing in the powers that Almighty has bestowed upon us. I hope this video has given you some insight on believing in your own strengths to deal with your life. So do not forget to comment on this video in the comment section. This will motivate me to make more such videos. Also, I have mentioned a few of my favorite books and some other products for you to buy it online. If you are interested in getting it delivered to your doorsteps, you can do so if you are interested in it. Let us all pray Almighty to bless us with good health, give us courage and confidence to believe in our strengths and to go ahead in our life. I wish you all the best. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Thank you very much.